All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this beautiful 2017 Ford Mustang. It is the premium EcoBoost model. It's beautiful black with black leather interior, premium sound system, stereo controls, backup camera, heated and cooling seats, alloy wheels, 37,000 miles on this vehicle, and best of all, minimum damage around the body. Your front bumper looks good. Your front hood looks pretty good. Your front fender looks nice. Here's your front driver's rim. Very nice. I don't see curbing here. And let's check out your tire thread, which is just under 730 seconds. This door looks good. This rear quarter looks pretty good. Does have a little dent here. No paint off. Very tiny. Here's your rear driver's rim. Very nice. I don't see curbing. Check out your tire thread, which is just under 730 seconds. Here's a nice shot of your roof. I don't see any dings, dents, or anything up there. You got power windows, power door locks, power mirrors. Your front driver's seat, no holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. Likewise on your rear passenger seat, no holes, no tears, no rips back there either. Jump into this vehicle. It is a push start system. Does come with 2 key fob combos and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. 2 keys and a valet key. Forgot to mention that. And a valet key. You got your AM, FM, CD player, Onyx, and all that good stuff. You got your AC controls right down below. You got your heated and your cooling seats. Very nice. Here's what your instrument cluster looks like. Your backup camera. Very nice. Instrument cluster with that looks like you don't see any lights on or any issues. And your mileage of 37,868. Still controls on this side as well as this side. Pretty much completes the tour for in here. Let's keep it moving. Open up the trunk. Coming around. Rear bumper does have some scratches down here. Some light scratches and some chippings and stuff like that. Looks like it did back up into something. But that's what it looks like from under here. Looks like it backed up into something like maybe a snowbank. Happens a lot around here in New Jersey. Maybe they backed up into a snowbank and scratched that up down there. Here's what your rear trunk space looks like. Every big of spaces, there is a spare tire here with some tools. I tucked away your owner's manuals right there. This quarter looks pretty good. Here's your rear passenger rim. Very nice. I don't see curbing. Tire thread back here is under 730 seconds. This door looks good. Here's your rear passenger seat, no holes, no tears, no rips. Likewise on your rear passenger seat, no holes, no tears, no rips. This door looks good. This rear passenger front passenger rim looks good. Tire thread, just under 730 seconds. Fog lights are working, headlights are working. Things look beautiful, folks. Once again, a 2017 Ford Mustang. It is the premium package coupe with 37,000 miles. Any questions, concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.